As the snow continues to fly outside, 2018 will be remembered for many things across North Dakota, and the weather's no different. KX News meteorologist Robert Suhr takes a look back at a wild year for local weather.
2018 will go down for many things weather-wise here in North Dakota, from bitterly cold January temperatures to triple-digit heat in the summer, and yes, even this post-Christmas snowstorm. North Dakota's first big snowstorm arrived the second week of January, with some locations in western and central North Dakota picking up over 6 inches of snow.
You can see here the snowdrift behind me. I don't know if you can see very well, but it's about up to here on me. That's the door I usually walk in to get to work, and it's totally covered up.
Just days later, the temperature plunged in Bismarck to a bone-chilling 29 below zero on January 12th and 13th.
Here are your temperatures right now: 27 below in Bismarck. Actual air temperatures here: 25 below in Williston and 19 below in Minot. We've got even a warmer temperature down in Hettinger, 6 below. That sounds pretty warm compared to what we have out here. Actual air temperature in Rugby, 31 below and 31 below there in Watford City.
February and March each featured snowstorms with over 1/2 foot falling in the Bowman area February 8th, while a blizzard ravaged the area March 5th.
If you dig into the snow here, we're going to dive down, that you can see that the snow is heavier at the bottom layer.
March not only began like a lion but ended like one, as another snowstorm dropped more heavy snow on March 30th.
So here is the snow forecast. You can see here a lot of folks getting that 5 to 8 inch range on the outskirts of that sort of this narrow band of snow. We could see a tight gradient around Bismarck.
Then the switch was flipped to severe weather season, which kicked off May 7th, when the first severe weather report of the season was reported in Grant County.
Okay, so now here it is. This just became a severe thunderstorm warning down here until 6:15 Mountain Time.
Perhaps the most active severe weather period came June 26th and then the 28th and 29th, when nearly 150 reports of severe weather were recorded, including baseball-sized hail falling in Hettinger.
That is very rare for North Dakota. To get that many events, that many reports of severe weather from just 2 episodes, just 2 days apart, and the event was very extreme.
Mother Nature provided her own fireworks July 3rd as 40 reports of severe weather came, including a house fire sparked by lightning in McIntosh County. It would get worse on July 9th and 10th when an EF2 tornado would decimate a mobile home park in Watford City, taking the life of a 6-day-old infant while injuring nearly 30 others.
I'm standing in the area that received the worst damage from these storms, and as you can see, it's complete devastation, and it left hundreds of people displaced.
August would be known not for its severe weather, but for sweltering temperatures, as the mercury rose into the triple digits several times around mid-month, with the temperature topping out at 104 in Bismarck on the 12th.
And we had records broken nearly everywhere, at least in the 4 major cities, including Bismarck, Dickinson, Williston, and Minot.
Fall would start out much below normal temperature-wise before a big warm-up would occur in December, making it one of the warmest on record. And finally, there was that post-Christmas snowstorm, followed by bitterly cold temperatures. Despite the extremes, Bismarck is looking to finish right around normal for both temperature and precipitation in 2018. Robert Suhr, KX News.
28 tornadoes were reported across the state in 2018, up from the average of 23. Also, the largest hailstone reported was 3.5 inches near Harvey in Wells County, June 28th.